Hello and welcome to the Sat on My Butt channel, where today I'm going to be talking about the Grizzly Adam Beard Wash that I received as part of their soon to be released travel kit. I will be talking about that in another video. You can buy the beard wash, the beard shampoo separately from grizzlyadam.co.uk, and the 30ml bottle cost you £9.99. Now, my opinion is that, I'm sorry, I don't think that is worth £10. That is my opinion, of course. It has a cedarwood and lime scent like the beard oil and the beard balm, and it's not a good smell, I'm afraid. It really is not a good smell. There's no freshness from the lime. The cedarwood smells a bit, you know, there's many different qualities of essential oils out there. There's different varieties of these oils. And this one, I don't know what's been used, but it hasn't produced something that I like, I'm afraid. Now, second, this struggles to produce a lather. Really struggles, and I've given it a good few pumps in my beard and it starts to produce a lather and it's gone. Now, yes, this is partly down to the hard water that we have in our taps here in Essex, and indeed flows through London and up into Norfolk. I'm not sure who else has hard water areas, and so you will struggle to get a lather or more lather from a product than you normally would in a soft water area. But I have reviewed a lot of products that produce a damn good lather in the Essex tap water. And as I say, this one struggles. And so the result is, it's strange. You know, when you get a product like this, work it in my hands, and it's like it does nothing. You're not feeling like you're getting that wash. I hate to be critical. I've said this before. I hate to be critical about products, but as a reviewer, you can only be honest. Otherwise, there is no point in reviewing these products, is there? I'm going to give that a 30 out of 100, I'm afraid. That is a very low score, isn't it? Its scent doesn't work. The beard wash is struggling. A real shame. I had high hopes for that beard shampoo, but there you go. It is apparently made with over 80% organic ingredients, free from parabens and sulphates, I must mention. As I say, it's from grizzlyadam.co.uk, and that is that for that review. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.